Again, in our last video, we created these two instances. Now, in this part, we will be actually configuring telnetd server. So let's log into the client, server here. So we'll just copy this multipass shell and the name. We are into the server. Let's do sudo apt update. We'll do sudo install telnetd -y. You see, we are installing inetutils, installing telnetd, inetutils, tcpd. Cool. So for Ubuntu 22.04, I think that extra configuration we have to do, that is inetd.conf. We'll open this file and let's open the browser. If you see through this inetd, we can go through this documentation for more information. We'll be actually needing this particular information to be kept in that file. So let's go at the bottom. We'll just change a few things here. We actually need this telnet to be executed, but by user as bin tcpd. After adding this line, okay, 1 second, let's copy it. Okay, and then WQ. Let's check. Correct. Let's check the status. systemctl status inetd. Start it. Taking the status again. It's up. Let's check if it is listening. Net stat. Oh. Now let's check again. So I can see we have something listening on 23. Let's do telnet localhost. I can see it's responding. That's all for this video. We will be creating users in the next video.